Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. Today, we're going to be looking at commonly used tools and features of Revu used for design review workflows, from different markup tools, tracking statuses, and assigning responsibility. We'll show you how to reduce risk and increase communication through your markups. So in design review, we want to make sure that we make clear and concise notes so that we're communicating with our team. And today I just want to show you a couple of tools that are most common for doing that. The next thing I want to go over is the highlight. So I'm going to go up to Tools, Markups, and our highlighter. You'll notice with the highlighter, when I'm just in OpenSpace here, the tip of my cursor actually looks like a highlighter. So I can come in here and draw freehand whatever I want that to look like. On a vector-based drawing, once I get near any text, you'll see that it switches over to a text selector. And I can quickly drag over that text and it will highlight it for me. What you're going to notice is that when we do that, sometimes when you're in a congested area of the drawing and you try to highlight, say, this door tag here, and you drag that, all of a sudden it's going to blink and you're going to notice that it's going to highlight something that you don't want it to. Or perhaps, let's do this again, it will blink. More often than not, it ends up highlighting everything except that text box or that bit of text there. So we don't want to do that. I'll show you guys a trick on how to fix that. Just going to undo a few things there. Go back to this area here. And again, Tools, Markups. H is going to be my keyboard shortcut for the highlight. And this time, instead of letting it grab the text, I'm going to hold my Control key down and just draw a line through that text there. So that's the trick for that one. You'll run into that once in a while. Just do an undo and do a search on Google for highlighter issue in Bluebeam, and hopefully you'll get to my blog post and show you how to fix that. Well, that's what I have for you today. A little quicker one this time around. I hope you captured some ideas to reduce risk and increase communication during your design review process. Thanks for joining us. Reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.